Closing market comments for Thursday, October the 29th. Grains closed lower again today. We continue this downward trend with the dollar being stronger, gold and silver being weaker overall. Silver was able to close slightly higher, but outside investors seem to be wanting to get out of stocks, getting out of grains, getting out of commodities in general, and this market just seems to be in a down free fall at this point. We get some bullish news, which we did have this morning, get a slight rally, and the market just could not hold the rally. USDA announced the sale of 891,540 metric tons of corn to Mexico for 2021 and an additional 541,010 metric tons of corn to Mexico for next year. In addition to that, they announced 140,000 metric tons of corn to unknown this morning. So excellent sales again on corn, and the market rallied slightly, couldn't get much over unchanged, and then sold off as the day progressed. Weekly export sales were released. Corn sales again were strong there as well, 88.3 million, up from 72.1 million last week, 19.2 million last year, with 28 to 59 expected and 27.1 needed per week. Soybean sales were down a little, 59.6 million, still a good strong number. That compares to 81.8 million last week, 64.3 million last year, with 37 to 73 expected and only 8.9 needed per week to reach the USDA projection. Wheat sales at 27.3, up from 13.5 last week and 18.1 last year. Expected range was 7 to 26, and the needed per week is 11.9 million. So good export sales, not outstanding in beans, but still good and solid numbers. But the market just does not seem to want to react. When we were having the bull move a week ago, didn't seem like we needed much of anything, and the market reacted higher. Right now, we're in a downtrend, and it just doesn't seem to want to turn. If you look at retracements, if we would go for a 50% retracement right now, you would have to see December corn get down to 372 on the board. You'd have to see beans get down into the 1060 area or 960 area. So we could have a long way to go if we're going to try and retrace this market down 50%. Not saying that's the case, but we need something friendly to turn this around. The old saying, the bull needs fed every day, and right now we've got nothing to feed this bull. So hope you enjoyed watching. Have a good evening.